pretty bored. Bored enough that I am, in fact, taking a video of myself in the mirror. And I'm wearing pants, FYI. Josh! Hey! Whoa, away from the lens. Freaky. Calm down.
Yep.
Stop.
Yeah, what?
What?
You asked me what.
No, I didn't. Hey! No pokey. No. Down, Bessie. No, don't open that loaf of bread. Let's have something else, like let's finish off the Sally Lunn.
They already did.
When?
This afternoon.
How could they have finished off the Sally Lunn without us? It's the eternal question. It's popping up again. Our fridge is empty. Yum. Well, I mean, like, I have food. And guess what? You can't have any. Because you're lactose. No. Just one. You can have one. Yeah. I'm going to have 3. There you go. You're welcome. I said you could have one. Okay, you eat cookies. Nuh-uh. Oh.